Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. About 1.5 billion Jamaican dollars worth of transactions have been conducted via the local digital wallet platform Lynk. The app, backed by NCB, share that 180,000 people have registered to use the platform. Lynk, which was launched in December 2021, is looking to introduce more features in the new year. It's planning to offer debit cards. It's also looking to offer remittance services starting January to allow people to send and receive money from overseas. Lynk received its remittance license in November. Now, the fintech arm of NCB also says the official rollout of LinkBiz, its merchant platform for small, medium and large enterprises, will take place next year. The pilot is already ongoing with plans for 5,000 merchants to be onboarded. Some more company news now. Sabrina Cooper has been appointed Senior Vice President of Wealth Management at Scotia Group Jamaica. She will also hold the post of CEO of Scotia Investments Jamaica. Ms. Cooper will assume the role effective January 4. She will also be responsible for growth and profitability of the wealth and asset management business. Davita McLaren has resigned from microfinance lender Dollar Financial. She demits office as Chief Strategy Officer today, December 23. Davita McLaren was appointed in the post in September after leaving Dollar's competitor Access Financial. Chief Executive Officer of Dollar Financial, Kadeem Mears, will carry out the responsibilities of Chief Strategy Officer. And to the foreign currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $153.15. $112.79 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The British pound will be sold for $185.38, while it's costing an average $164.20 for the euro. The JSE index gained 2,968 points today, while the junior market index lost 10 points. Among the winners were Iron Rock Insurance, Berger Paints, Epley, Paramount Trading and Siboney Group, while the losers included AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Margaritaville Turks, Stanley Motor, Main Event Entertainment Group and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.